Introducing the Powerbuilt All-in-One XT. It's the world's first and only portable jack designed to safely lift and hold both regular and unibody cars and trucks. Simply pull the pin and raise the ratchet bar extension. Make sure the release valve is closed. Then just pump the handle to raise the support arm. As the Unijack lifts, a ratcheting safety latch automatically drops in place to secure the left arm in position. With a conventional jack, it's challenging to properly lift and hold the unibody vehicle, because once the vehicle is raised with a jack, there's no space left to add a jack stand. Hard enough on a regular vehicle, but what do you do when raising a unibody vehicle? The Unijack offers both concave and flat lifting surfaces to accommodate a wide variety of lift points. Lifting from the frame or from the axle, the 4,000 pounds Unijack offers a lift range from 11 inches to 22 inches. It's ideal for trucks, SUVs, and lifted off-road vehicles. The All-in-One XT meets and exceeds ASME PASE standards, and it's protected by a 1-year warranty. And for added lift range, simply pull the pin, make sure the release valve is closed, then just pump the handle to raise the support arm. For many vehicles, lifting from the axle is an option. The All-in-One XT curved saddle surface perfectly fits the underside of the axle, making lifting and lowering a breeze. Can also be used on other applications such as home leveling repairs and RV leveling. So the next time you need to lift and hold your regular or unibody vehicle, reach for the one jack that does it all.